What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Bitcoin. It's following our wave count, sitting at 27.8K, down 0.2 on the day. See market cap of 539 billion. 24-hour volume, 13.79 billion. So let's hop into the charts. So what we're looking at is looking to push up in a wave 5 to complete the wave 3. Now, if we simply break down from here, we create a double top, we break down, then what you would look at is that wave 3 being complete and then pulling back into 4 and looking to push up in that wave 5. So the max retracement for the sub wave count, which is here in white, for that wave 4, the max retracement is, I'm just going to remove this fib so it's not distracting, 50% level, 27.5K. So if we were to break below that, then you'd have to look at this wave 3 already being complete. All right, gang. Otherwise, we'd be looking to push up in a wave 5, complete the 3, pull back in a 4, push up in a 5, and complete this bullish wave 1 to the upside. Looking at the daily chart, I do think a retest of the EMAs is likely. Most likely over the next few days, you'll see the bullish cross. So what will happen, even if we push up a little bit higher here, is we'll come back, retest those EMAs, hold them, hopefully, break out to the upside, head up to our next resistance of about 29.2K and head back up to 30K. DXY, we are looking for a pullback. It looks like that may be starting. We have a strong bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart. Beautiful 5-way move to the upside, so we could definitely see a large pullback, and that's when you'll see that increase in the price of BTC. All right, gang. So if we break below 27.5K, then that wave 3 could already be complete, and you'd look to pull back in the wave 4. Otherwise, we're looking for the sub wave 5 to complete the 3 before pulling back in the 4 and seeing continuation to the upside. Currently, we're in 3 trades that are in profits, one for Bitcoin, one for Ethereum, one for Sand. You can get a 30-day free trial to my signals if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget, up to 30,000 on Bybit. And then email me, your sign-up email takes 2 minutes. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And free access for 30 days to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits, all plays. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.